Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In the previous video, we learned about functions and parameters. Today we are going to understand another important topic, argument in Python. We will learn what is argument, why do we use argument, syntax of argument, types of argument, and we will understand everything with simple examples. So let's get start today's videos. Let's understand about an argument. Before understanding argument, let's quickly revise one thing. When we are creating a function, we write variable inside a bracket. For example, def abc name colon. Okay, so here name is called a parameter, but when we call a function, let's see, here Namika is called an argument. So remember this simple definition. An argument is the actual value that we pass to the function when we called it. Python takes this value and store it inside the parameter. Let's understand about why do we use arguments. First of all, now the question is why do we even needs argument? Let's understand with example. Imagine you write a function. Same function let's use. Okay, the output will always hello Anamika. It's my bad. I passed the parameter. Okay, so the output is hello Anamika. What if tomorrow you want to call Rahul or Priya or Aman? We will create a new function every time. Of course not. Instead, we pass different arguments. Let's see, let's understand with example. ABC passing argument. So let's run this program. So the output is hello Ramika, hello Dish, and hello Priya. See how we wrote the function only once but use it for different people. That's why we use argument. They make our function flexible and reusable. We just need to pass the parameter and in the function we just pass the arguments. Let's understand about syntax of argument. A syntax as argument is normal. The function name, just we need to pass the parameter. After parenthesis we need to give colon and write the right here up our code according to the requirement. After that we just call the function with passing arguments. Function name. This is the syntax of argument. Let's understand it. Here, parameter is written while quitting the function. Okay, and argument is written while calling the function. So let's understand type of arguments. Python mainly provide four types of argument: positional argument, keywords argument, defaults argument, variable length arguments. Okay, let's understand this in a future video. So today we learn what is an argument, why do we use argument, syntax of argument, types of argument. In the next video we learn about types of argument where if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to AI with Anamika Yadav. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.